Hi friends, today let's talk about what are the important things in the project management. So we do this discussion from the interview point of view. Usually the interviewer will ask you, what is the key in project management? Or how do you plan for a project? These kind of questions. So how could you answer it? Actually, it's not that difficult. I would say for the project management, either you can expand from a process point of view. What does it mean? You can tell the interviewers about how you plan a project, for example, for different phases that you will do in the project management. For example, the planning, the build, the task, and also project closure, lessons learned, etc. You explain the way that you organize your project. It's a way to show that you understand project management. Well, sometimes, as I said, the question won't be just how you plan a project. It will be what is the important thing you see in the project management. So you can't answer in this kind of ways. You need to expand your opinion of what is the key in the project management. So my suggestion would be focus on the things that you believe will be the thing important in the project management. Among the individuals and among all of the project managers, there are different opinions on what are the key or what is the most important in the project management. So from my point of view, I think communication is the key. Maybe it will be different from your point of view. It doesn't matter. Okay, come back to our question about what is the key in the project management, or how do you plan the project? How do you do the project management? So this kind of two type questions actually you can answer, as I mentioned before, the element, the process that you explain about project management, but also you should give examples. So this is something that I think is quite common for the people who have already prepared the interviews. You should always come with a STAR. So what does STAR mean? So STAR is an acronym of the four phases. You need to give interviews some examples. For example, S, it means situation, means how you explain what happened during that moment. What is your context for your example? Then you go for the T, letter T. It means the task. So task, it means it's the responsibility that you took in that example. Usually for the project management interviews, your T, your task is your mission. So you can say that I was a project manager for a topic, for a project, etc. You give some background about your task. So as we said, STAR, then we come to the letter A. What does letter A mean? It means action. So you should explain something happened when you were performing the task. If there is nothing happened, everything was smooth, I don't think it's a good example. So you should give the action you took when something went wrong or something happened unexpectedly. In this way, you attract the interviewer's attention about how you handle the things by the A, by your actions. Okay, so as we said, STAR, the last letter is R. So R is a result. Result means after you took the action, what happened? What is the outcome? Here I would say you should always express the positive outcome, even something happened negatively. For example, you can mention that you had a failure project, you did something well, and then it still failed. However, your result should demonstrate the positive part of what you have done. For example, you reduce the lose of the losing money part of your project. You prevent the resource cut for the next project, etc. Try to find the positive part for your outcome and put into the R. So, okay, overall, as I said, when the interviewer asks you about questions like how do you do in project management, what is the key in the project management, you can give your opinion plus the examples and do the examples with star structure. This is widely used in a lot of interview meetings. For example, for the fund, when I say the big companies, they always follow with the start. It's a good way for people to understand what you did and how you react on the something happened in the middle. Okay, that's what I would like to share with you. Hope it helps. See you. Bye.